Good afternoon, dear students. In today's video, we are going to study the various methods of producing anesthesia in animals. Now, whenever you are going to isolate a part of an animal for experimental purpose, you have to kill that animal. In the first practical, we have seen the principle of euthanasia, which says that animals should be killed painlessly so that it will have minimum pain and you can carry out the dissection and isolation of that specific part which is required for experimental purpose. In today's video, we are going to see the various methods of producing anesthesia in animal. What do you mean by anesthesia? Anesthesia means loss of consciousness with loss of pain sensation. Anesthetic effect is produced by depressing or inhibiting the ascending reticular activating system which is responsible for pain and sensation. There is an ascending reticular activating system which is present in your CNS which is responsible to control pain and sensation. This anesthetic effect is produced by inhibiting your reticular activating system. Now, methods of producing anesthesia. There are three methods by which you can produce the anesthesia. Sorry, two methods of producing anesthesia. One is physical method and second is your chemical method. Physical method is again sub-classified into three classes: pithing, chilling and stunning. These methods of anesthesia are used for producing anesthesia in animals. We will physical means with the help of certain procedure you are going to produce anesthesia in animal, while chemical method means by use of chemicals like barbiturates like phenobarbital, pentobarbital, thiopenton, etc. you are going to produce anesthesia in animal. In physical methods, there are three sub methods. One is pithing, chilling and stunning. We will see these methods one by one. First one, that is your pithing method. First one, that is your pithing method. What do you mean by pithing? In pithing method, this is used when you have to produce anesthesia in frog. Now always remember that pithing and chilling method, both of them are used when you have to produce anesthesia in frog, while stunning method is used to produce anesthesia in rat, guinea pig, mouse and rabbit. जर मला माइस रॅबिट मध्ये जर अनेस्थेशिया प्रोड्यूस करायचं असेल तर मी स्टनिंग मेथड यूज करेल. मला फ्रॉग मध्ये जर अनेस्थेटिक इफेक्ट जर प्रोड्यूस करायचं असेल देन आय एम गोइंग टू यूज आयदर पीथिंग और चिलिंग मेथड. फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट इज योर पीथिंग मेथड. फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज योर पीथिंग. You have to hold frog in left hand in such a way that the dorsal part of the frog should face towards you. In your right hand, you will take a pithing needle. In 12th standard, you have used a dissection box. If you see the dissection box properly, in that dissection box there is a needle, same as like arrow. जसं आपण arrow बघतो ना, त्या शेप मध्ये एक needle present आहे, त्याला म्हणतात pithing needle. This pithing needle you have to move from the dorsal part of the frog. When you are moving on the dorsal part, at one point you will feel a depression or a cavity. Depression or cavity means that needle will slightly go inward, ती खाली जाईल, त्याला म्हणतात pithing point or occipito-atlantic junction. That is known as a pithing point or occipito-atlantic junction. At that point you have to insert the pithing needle from your right hand. Pass the pithing needle at that point where you have filled the cavity or depression. Move the needle side by side. When you are moving the needle side by side, you are separating the brain from the spinal cord. Again, move it upwards and rotate it to destroy the upper part of the brain. Now, when you have destructed the brain and the spinal cord, the frog will not have any kind of sensations. That means the anesthesia has been produced. Withdraw the needle, again pass it downwards and rotate it to and fro, which is going to have complete destruction of your spinal cord. Pithing मध्ये काय करतो आपण? In your left hand, you have to hold the frog in such a way that the dorsal part is going to face towards you. Dorsal part means the upper part of the frog should face towards you. In the right hand, take the pithing needle and move that pithing needle on the dorsal part of the frog. When you are moving it downwards, at one point you will fill a cavity. Cavity means the pithing needle will go inside, or you will fill a depression. That is known as a pithing point or occipito-atlantic junction. At that point, you have to insert the pithing needle, rotate it to and fro. When you are going to rotate it to and fro, you are having a separation between brain and spinal cord. Slightly move the needle upwards and again rotate it to and fro. You have a complete destruction of your brain. Again, move the needle downwards, rotate it to and fro. You will have complete destruction of the spinal cord. Now, how you are going to check that a complete anesthesia has been produced? You will remove the needle and you will press that needle on one of the limbs of the frog. After pressing on one of the limbs of the frog, if there is complete anesthesia, the limbs of the frog is not going to move. If there is incomplete pithing, after pressing the needle on the limb of the frog will have the sensation, that is, the frog limb is going to move. That is known as the first method, that is known as pithing. Then the second method, that is chilling. It is also used for producing anesthesia in frog. In chilling method, it is similar as like pithing. First of all, you will press the frog in a refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius and you will repeat the remaining procedure as like pithing. Pithing मध्ये जे तुम्ही point जे parts करता, same way you will carry out the chilling method also. फक्त एक difference है, prior you have to store into a refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. Why it is to be stored into a refrigerator? As a frog is an amphibian animal which lives in water also, the skin of the frog is slippery in nature. When you are holding the frog, it may slip from your hand. To prevent that, when you are storing into a refrigerator, for some time, the sensation of the frogs are inhibited and it will become easier for you to hold the frog properly. The remaining you have to carry out in the similar way as like pithing. मी frog refrigerator मध्ये store केल्यानंतर, refrigerator मधून remove केल्यानंतर, I will carry out the same way. I will hold the frog in the left hand. The dorsal part will face towards me. I will pass the pithing needle from the dorsal part. Where I am going to fill the cavity, I am going to insert the pithing needle. I am going to rotate it so that the connection between the brain and the spinal cord is destructed. Slightly I will move the needle upwards. Again I will rotate it to and fro. and I will have the complete destruction of the upper part of the brain. I will insert the needle downwards. I will rotate it side by side, and I will allow the complete destruction of your spinal cord. This is the method of producing anesthesia in animal, that is known as a chilling method. Then the next one, that is your stunning, last one, that is the third one, that is stunning. This method is used to produce anesthesia in mice, rat, guinea pig and rabbits. In stunning method, I am going to hold the animal in one of the hand by the tail part. Animal काय करेल त्याच्या tail part ने I am going to hold into one of the hand, and I am going to give a stroke between the brain and the neck portion by hitting it on a table. Rabbit, guinea pig, rat, etc. त्याच्या tail part ने मी hold करेल, त्याच्या ब्रेन आणि नेक या दोघांमधला जो पोर्शन आहे त्या पोर्शन मध्ये मला स्ट्रोक द्यायचा आहे. तो स्ट्रोक कसा देईल? बाय हिटिंग इट ऑन अ टेबल, अँड इमिजिएटली आय विल प्लेस द एनिमल ऑन अ प्लॅटफॉर्म अँड आय विल पुल द टेल of that animal. When I am pulling the tail, I am dislocating the spinal cord. That is known as stunning method. Stunning method मध्ये काय केलंय मी? Animal hold केला त्याच्या टेल पार्टने, त्याच्यानंतर स्ट्रोक दिला नेक आणि ब्रेनच्या मधल्या पोर्शनला बाय हिटिंग इट ऑन टेबल. इमिजिएटली मी त्याला प्लॅटफॉर्मवर प्लेस करेल आणि टेल पार्ट ज्यावेळेस मी पुल करतोय, आय एम dislocating the spinal cord. This is the method of producing anesthesia in rat, guinea pig, mice, rabbit, etc. These are the three physical methods, that is pithing, chilling and stunning. In chemical method, I have to use the chemicals like barbiturates like phenobarbitone, pentobarbitone, etc. These are the methods by which you can produce the anesthesia in animals. Then the next one, that is routes of administration, which you have already studied in your first year in SUTEX second chapter, that is routes of administration. There are three routes. Routes of administration means the method or the way by which the drug can be administered into the human body, that is known as routes of administration. There are three routes of administration. One is oral, parenteral and local. Oral means in the form of tablet, capsule, liquid preparations by oral route. Parenteral, that is injections, subcutaneous route, intravenous route, intramuscular route, etc. Local means in the form of ointments, creams which are applied locally on the human body. That is about routes of administration. Then two important definitions. One is dissection and second one isolation. Dissection means with the help of dissecting instruments like scissor, forceps, etc. I am going to expose the different parts of animals. That is known as dissection. मी सीजर फोर्सेप्स याचा यूज करून काय करतोय? आय एम गोइंग टू एक्सपोज, आय एम गोइंग टू सी डिफरंट पार्ट्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. दैट इज नोन एज डिसेक्शन. सेकंड वन, दैट इज आइसोलेशन. आइसोलेशन मीन्स separation of tissue or organ from the remaining part of the animal. It is known as isolation. So for example, मला frog heart पाहिजे, मी सगळ्यात पहिले काय करेल? फ्रॉगचं डिसेक्शन करेल. डिसेक्शन झालं तर फ्रॉगचा जो हार्ट आहे तो काय करेल? मी सेपरेट करेल फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग पार्ट और फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग बॉडी ऑफ द फ्रॉग. दैट इज नोन एज आइसोलेशन. Separation of tissues and organs outside the body is called as isolation. And dissection म्हणजे काय? Exposure of different body parts with the help of dissecting instruments is called as dissection. Thank you.